Ever wondered why birds eat their babies' poop? While it might seem gross, it's actually a survival strategy. When chicks are very young, their digestive systems are not fully developed or efficient. This means their fecal sacs still contain a significant amount of undigested nutrients and energy. By eating the sac, the parent bird effectively recycles these valuable nutrients. This is especially important for the female, who is often more nutritionally stressed from the demanding work of laying eggs and constantly foraging. Baby birds produce fecal sacs, small, jelly-like pouches containing their waste. Parent birds eat these to keep the nest clean and avoid attracting predators, as even the scent of waste can be a giveaway to danger. But there's another reason. Fecal sacs are packed with undigested nutrients. So by eating them,